Hello everyone, my name is Kalamkas and I'm from Kazakhstan. Now I'm studying master degree in Tartu University and my faculty is International Law and Human Rights.
My name is Sarah Gallegos. I'm from California in the United States. I'm here studying the Communication Masters program at Tallinn University.
Hello, my name is Leonid. I'm from Russia. I study in Estonia at Tartu University and I study International Law and Human Rights on Masters on my second year.
My name is Yvette Bioga. I'm from Cameroon and I study International Law in Tallinn University, and I've been in Tallinn for 2 years.
So why I chose Estonia? Because before I had Erasmus in Lithuania, so I really do like it and I wanted something same but in a different place, so that's why I chose Estonia.
I decided to move to Estonia because Tartu University is quite famous in Russia and a lot of students go there for masters.
Yeah, I chose Estonia because I looked at schools all over the EU and I thought it would be the best, interesting experience to come to a much smaller country. The population of Estonia overall is about the same as Los Angeles, so I get to live in a city that's much less crowded, and I don't know, it's not a country that we hear much about in the States, so I thought it would be kind of discovering new territory.
I came to Tallinn because it's like a quiet place and the fees also are affordable and the life is not too expensive and the program is like affordable as compared to other places. So that's why I came to Tallinn.
I really do like education here, people surrounding me, but the minus for me is like the weather and no sun.
For me, there were not so many challenges because since Estonia was a part of Soviet Union and here I can find a lot of people from my country, and I sort of felt like at the beginning I felt like I didn't go anywhere because it looked quite similar.
So the most challenging thing I've had to deal with here is that I haven't really had time to learn Estonian, so kind of interacting with people I don't know, it's still a bit of a hi, do you speak English? If they don't, then it's a bit tricky to communicate.
So for me, if I'll say about cultural difference, so I cannot say like it's totally different or I couldn't understand some cultural things because we have a bit similar, because we have a bit similar culture, and for me it was not so hard to find friends here, and I also am in some organizations, so for me I have friends also from Estonia and from all countries, so for me it was easy, and cultural part it was kind of flexible for me. I cannot find it so hard.
So my experience in Estonia so far has been overall good. I like living in Tallinn, but it's been hard to meet and befriend Estonian people.
I'll probably finish my master here and then I will decide where to go to apply for a job. Probably I will go back and use my degree there.
Yes, from this year I will graduate my studies, so I would like to stay here for 2 or more years, and then I would choose my future in some different countries, just to try to live in some different countries. Yeah, that's the reason.
I think I do miss my family, so I think I will eventually move back to California after I graduate.
Actually, it depends on my master's program. After my program, it will depend if I see a master's program, maybe somewhere else, then I will go. If not, I might continue with my master's program here. But it all depends how everything goes out after my degree program.
From the perspective of somebody who's coming to live in a foreign country for a long period of time, I can say that of course it requires some time to learn local traditions, some local rules.
Yeah, I think everyone should live somewhere else in their life just to be a fish out of water, but and to experience life when you're the minority. I think that's really teaches you a lot about your place in the world?
Hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan Ali. I am from Pakistan and studying in Tallinn University. I'm going to analyze this whole video regarding immigration in 21st century. We already watched 4 different example, real life example from different countries, and we saw that from different countries students are coming here Estonia for study, especially the example from United States, such a big country. And that student Sarah, she came from United States to Estonia for study. So what I'm thinking that in this time in 21st century, now the concept is totally changed. People are traveling, people are migrating from different countries, like very big and rich countries to small countries. Although immigration is a very natural thing, and it's not a new, it's from very old. Like in ancient time, people were traveling because of war, because of hunger, because of climatical changes. And now there are some reasons, similar reason, but now many reasons are different. People are traveling for good opportunities, like for experience new things, not only for opportunities to know new things, to experience new cultures, and especially for education. Now education is I think in this era education become very important element, so people are very focusing on education. If I talk about myself, I came to Estonia here for study. So not only for study, also for good opportunity, for good job, for good living. Nowadays, because of documentation, this migration become very tough for some people, for some countries, not for all countries. Like African countries, it's really hard for them to go to another country and settle there.